Are you trying to find that right affiliate marketing product that's going to make you a lot of money? I want to share one with you today that is one of my favorites, and it's ClickFunnels. Now, before you go, the thing I like about ClickFunnels is there's more than just one way of making money as an affiliate. And I want to show that to you today. I'm going to go through all 5 different ways. And I'm going to give you an example. Like if you were promoting, let's say, Aweber, an autoresponder, there's one way to make money. You get people to sign up, and then you get a commission off of their monthly recurring membership fee, and that's great. That is great. But the thing I love about ClickFunnels is you get that recurring membership fee, but you also have other ways of making money, and we're going to go over those now. Stick around. All right, one of the first questions you might ask is, what the heck is, or what exactly is ClickFunnels? And ClickFunnels is a sales funnel company. That's what they specialize in. And a sales funnel is something that can replace your website. Many people for years have been using websites and trying to drive their traffic to the website so that people see all the products. And I think you've seen some of those websites. They can get very, very busy. They have ads running around. They've got pop-ups, and I mean, to the point where it's annoying. And that, for me anyway, I hate websites like that. I know people make money on it, but it makes me leave. I do not like to be interrupted while I'm trying to read a blog or something. So the thing about a sales funnel, it's very direct. It keeps you focused on exactly what you're looking for. So if there was a hook or something that caused you to hit the link to go into that sales funnel. So maybe somebody said they're going to offer you a cookbook on how to lose 10 pounds in 1 month. And here are all the recipes they used for 30 days. I mean, that's pretty cool to get that for free. And so you click it. In that sales funnel, that's all they're going to talk about is how to lose weight and that cookbook. They're not going to go off on tangents and start popping things in your face that have nothing to do with it. So let me give you a little example. So over here to the right, ClickFunnels, well, it's a sales funnel, like I told you, and it's a way that you can get people to add emails to your website. You can provide, build value in there. If you have a funnel that is more than just 2 pages long, you can make them as big as you want. Throughout your funnel, I have a 10-page funnel where I actually do a 5-day training within the funnel, and I actually deliver that funnel 1 day at a time, so people can go in and get a training for free. So you can use it for all kinds of things. It also you can collect money in the funnel. So if you're selling products, physical products, you can actually collect money for those physical products. And that's the same as digital products. You can send them immediately, or you can send them in somebody's email. Some people will use their funnel for upsells and downsells and one-time offers and all those words that might not mean anything, but you can do a lot with funnels. And it starts out very simply when you start using it, and it can get more elaborate is the word I want to use. It does so many things. And all of that is very interesting, but you're probably thinking, okay, show me how I can make money with this thing. All right, so you want to make some money, let's get started. Here's way number 1. The first way, and the most popular way of making money with ClickFunnels, is the recurring membership commission. Their monthly fee is $97, and the person is limited to how many pages they can have and how many funnels. I think they can have 20 funnels and like 100 pages, so it's enough to get started. And they also give you a free domain, and there's lots of free training involved. So they teach you how to use the funnel. Now I want to pull up the funnel really quick and just show you how easy it is to use, where people can go in, and because I want to show you that it doesn't have to be somebody who is already successful in the marketing business. A person who doesn't know anything can benefit and can use it, and that's what's so cool about ClickFunnels. Okay, that first page didn't want to pop up. It was real slow in loading. I'm on a satellite. We live out in the country. But let me go ahead and show you here. It's very, very easy to add things and design it yourself. You just go to the gear over here, and you've got advanced settings. You can change your color, your sizes, your words. I mean, Russell Brunson has developed this, and he talks about it being like Legos, that you just kind of put the parts together, and you can add things with the plus signs. But he has training for all this. But I just want to show you how easy everything is, just a click to fix it. And yes, in the beginning it can be overwhelming because you want that funnel to be perfect, and you want it so bad that it can be frustrating because you're not capable yet. But once you start working with it, it just becomes second nature like anything else, and it's very, very easy. So I just want to put that out there. Another way of making money, number 2, is when you get 100 people signed up under you and they're active members. I don't want to say under you, but if you get 100 people to sign up as members, you will get $500 a month towards a car, but they have to stay active. So if you drop down in the month, you want to make sure you're over that, to be honest. Now, the neat thing is if you go up to 200 members or more, you get $1,000 a month extra. So that's another way of making money. So who couldn't use an extra $500 or $1,000 a month to put towards a car? And if your car payment is only $360, you get to keep the rest of that. So that's what's kind of cool about that. So that's two ways that you can make money. And the neat thing is you're doing the same activity. You're just making money two different ways on the same thing. You still get the commission, and that's a bonus that you get money towards a car. Number 3, you've heard a lot of people talking about the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's a 30-day training that I highly recommend everybody take, even if you're not going to use ClickFunnels, but you're into marketing with other companies with sales funnels. But it's only $100, and the training every single day, you have trainers come in and train you on how to get your business started and how to launch your first funnel and things like that. Now you might say, well, I've already done this before. How would that help me? If you come back and take the training again after you've set everything up and you already have your business flourishing, you're still going to benefit, because they're going to teach you how to 10x your business and what you're already doing. There are live trainings in there. Some of them are recorded, but there's also some live trainings and some live Q&As. There's a live Facebook group, and you're surrounded by people. A lot of them have experience, so it's a great time to ask questions and learn from each other. Now notice down here, there's a date. The neat thing is when you become an affiliate with ClickFunnels, that you have access to this. Let me pull it up for you. This is what pops up when you share your link, and it stays updated. So you don't have to go in and say, oh, wait a minute, the next one starts on this date. Everything in there is already done for you. So this one here, the dates right here, it tells you how many more days until it starts. That will continuously change, and you don't have to do anything except send the link that has your affiliate number on it out and promote it. And all this is here. This is a sales page. It's all done for you. You don't have to do it. The only thing you would have to make is your landing page or your opt-in page of where you're bringing people to collect their email address, so you can do some email marketing on the side. That's a whole nother training, but that's 3 ways. Now guess how much you get as an affiliate when you sign people up. You get the entire $100. So if you sign up 10 people into the One Funnel Away Challenge, you make $1,000. So pretty cool. All right, let's go to the 4th way that you can make money, and that's by sharing all the affiliate products that ClickFunnels has. It's really, I'm putting it all into one, but it's called Affiliate Bootcamp, and in that Affiliate Bootcamp, when you sign up as an affiliate, everything you need is there. All the banners, all the swipe files, email, I mean everything you need. And I'm going to show you a list of all the products that are in there. There's tons of them. It's not just promoting ClickFunnels. So this is what it looks like for you to sign up as an affiliate. Now for the Affiliate Bootcamp, you do have to make that extra step and go in and sign up, because you want to let ClickFunnels know that you are promoting them, and that's where you get all your links. Even with the membership, if you're only pushing the membership, you still have to go in and get a link so that ClickFunnels knows to pay you. So you definitely have to fill this out, and when you're in their site, it'll say, do you want to sign up for the affiliate program? But let me show you here. Let's say you're just promoting the .com Secrets book and you're trying to collect emails. A lot of people start with that because it's easy. You're not asking people for a lot. And what you're doing is offering them a free book, and they pay $7.95 in shipping. And what you get as an affiliate is $1. Now you're probably thinking, oh, whoopee. But what ClickFunnels does, that once you get them signed up for that book, they're going to come in with all the upsells and all the other things that come after it. So this is what they call a value ladder. It keeps going up. And they keep offering more to that person, and as long as that person has a sticky cookie with your name, that little code connected to you, anything that person buys, you'll get the commission. So you could, just from that book that you gave away for free, you could earn up to $967 in commissions. Now, you know, the percentages go down as the value goes up. That's why we always call it a funnel, but it just gives you an idea. You don't have to put all this together. It's already put together for you. ClickFunnels has lots of other products, and as you can see, I'm not going to sit here and read them all to you, but these are all the other products that you can promote. And again, in your Affiliate Bootcamp section of your ClickFunnels account, everything you need to push these products is in there, and they keep adding more. So you have access to all of them, and you can pick and choose which ones that you want to promote. So great way to make extra money as an affiliate. And the 5th and final way Most people don't think about this when they're with ClickFunnels, because until you start making funnels, you probably don't even understand it. But share funnels. When you create a funnel, you saw earlier, I gave you a little example, you can share your funnel with other people. Now, if I did, I'll share a funnel with you below, okay? When you click that share funnel, then you're going to have a ClickFunnels account to put it in. Now, ClickFunnels has a 14-day free trial, so people that accept that shared funnel from you will go ahead and open up their trial account, and they can check it out. And I think that's fair that people can do that. I think it's good. I don't want to buy something if I don't know how it works. And if they decide to sign up with a membership, then you will earn that commission. And the way you're bringing them in is by using share funnels. There are funnels out there that people have made that they share, where it's called business in a box or something like that, and they will put everything in that funnel that person needs, where they could literally take that same funnel, change a few things, and push it out themselves and get customers to come in. So it's a little bit more complicated, probably not something I would do right away. I would use some of those other methods, but it is a great way, a fifth way, to make money with ClickFunnels. So that's it, 5 different ways. I'm going to be making other videos to share you some of the other affiliate programs that I've used and that I earn money from. Also, make sure you check out the videos above and please subscribe and help me grow my channel. I have been providing videos 5 times a week, 6 times a week, so that to help you to build your business. And mine are really directed to beginners, because I know how hard it is in the beginning to know what to do and not get sucked into buying all these expensive courses. So all this is free. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.